November 7625 Foxtrot, descend and maintain 5,500.
Descend maintain 5,500, 25 Foxtrot.
November 7625 Foxtrot, you can start a base turn now for runway 19 right, descend at your discretion.
Starting base turn 19 right, descend at discretion, 25 Foxtrot, thank you.
November 785 Victor Charlie, turn left heading 350 to 718 7000.
Left heading 350 and 7000 by Victor.
Southwest 1466, contact approach 135.0, good night.
350, have a great night, South 1466.
Number 785 Victor Charlie, slowest practical speed, then descend and maintain 5,300.
Could you say it again for 5 Victor?
5 Victor Charlie, go as slow as you can, then descend and maintain 5,300.
As low as we can, and 5,375 Victor.
November 785 Victor Charlie, McCarran's 9 o'clock, 5 miles, reported site.
We got the airport site, 75 Victor.
November 785 Victor Charlie, clear visual approach runway 19 right.
Expect visual approach to 19 right, 75 Victor.
No, November 785 Victor Charlie, you are cleared for the visual approach runway 19 right.
Clear for the visual runway 19 right, 75 Victor.
Southwest 1471, clear direct Reno, intercept the local Azure 26 left, cross Reno at 8,000. November 7625 Foxtrot, contact tower 118.75 and resume navigation for runway 19 right.
118.75 and resume navigation 19 right, 25 Foxtrot, thank you. Tower, good evening, Cherokee 25 Foxtrot, we're on the long base for runway 2, correction runway 19 right.
November 7625 Foxtrot, Las Vegas Tower, wind 340 at 4, runway 19 right, clear to land following Lear traffic on a 1.5 mile final.
Clear to land 19 right, 25 Foxtrot. No, 25 Foxtrot, can I get a wind check?
25 Foxtrot, wind is 340 at 4.
Thank you.
Bravo Hotel, contact ground, point 1. Number 25 Foxtrot, if you're not already, turn left, direct the numbers for runway 19 right, you're clear to land.
Turn the left numbers, clear to land 19 right, 25 Foxtrot.
Southwest 1017, left Whiskey, ground point 1.
Whiskey, ground point 1, Southwest 1017.
Metro 2, we're going to continue northwestbound back to North Las Vegas for a call.
Metro 2, proceed northwestbound.
Metro 2.
Legion 32, connect departure 2590, yeah.
Departure 32, take care.
Las Vegas Tower, Hawker 785 Victor Charlie, visual runway 19 right.
Remember 785 Victor Charlie, Las Vegas Tower, wind 340 at 4, runway 19 right, clear to land.
19 right, clear to land, 785 Victor.
November 25 Foxtrot, turn right next taxiway, that'll be Sierra, and contact ground 121.1.
Turn together 1, and then 121.1. Ground today, Cherokee 25 Foxtrot, taxi Sierra, taxi
Cherokee 7625 Foxtrot, Las Vegas. Good evening. Make your second left turn. Taxi on hotel to the ramp.
no, the ramp,